I have completed my MBA in 2021 in marketing, after which I have started my career as a digital marketing professional. And now it's been almost 4 years that I am into this field. In these 4 years, I have worked extensively. I have worked in different sectors like education sector, printing and packaging industry, insurance brokerage firm. So in these 4 years, I have worked extensively on almost all the activities of digital marketing, which included SEO, social media marketing, Google Ads, Meta Ads, content writing, website designing, and a bit of graphic designing, you can say. So my core expertise lies in SEO, social media marketing, uh, Google Ads and Meta Ads and content writing. Though I have the working knowledge of YouTube ads and email marketing, but the previous five are where my expertise lies on. So the organizations that I have worked with are Shikshayatan Foundation, CDC Printers, RP Goenka International School, and most recently it was Ideal Insurance Brokers. Role of AI tools. I think it's every coin has its two sides. Like it can be a boon, it can be a mishap if if it falls in the wrong hand. But the thing is, AI is completely not a harmful tool. If we can utilize it in a proper way, a lot of things can be achieved. Yes, definitely. A human touch is required. It's not that everything AI can do, but taking the help of AI is definitely something no one should skip. So when it comes to a fresher, I would say freshers can definitely take help of AI to gain experience and knowledge, which sometimes comes very handy. It's not that they should totally rely on AI, but definitely taking the help of AI is something inevitable. And if you use AI, then definitely you are ahead of everybody else. So I think AI is a great tool, and we should take help of AI every now and then. But yes, we should not depend on them. We should control AI, but AI should not control us. Google Search Console, Google Analytics, then SEMrush, Ubersuggest, Hrefs. They have helped me a lot because they gave a very good insight about how the keywords are performing, which keywords should I use uh, for the paid ad campaigns, like which has, and definitely it helps in creating the ad assets, ad copies. So the GSC and analytics tells us about our own website, how it is performing, which are the pages that are being most visited with the keywords and the traffics, and tools like sorry, and the tools like SEMrush, Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, they give an insight about the competitors, how they are doing, which keywords are they paying for in paid ad traffic. So this is how we can utilize these tools to get a hold of competitors and get a step ahead of them. I would say that definitely the career of SEO professionals have taken a drastic turn with the introduction of AI. But I would say that uh, as the myths go that SEO is dead, SEO is no more because AI is here, it's definitely wrong. It's not the case because if we see GEO, generative engine optimization, or AEO, answer engine optimization, so in all these two factors also we are doing SEO. The same basic principles of SEO is being applied. And who does that? We, the SEO professionals, does that. It's not that something completely different. It's a different ball game. It's not a rocket science, but just a part of SEO. So if someone says that SEO is dead and the new normal is GEO, AEO, or AI, it's wrong because SEO is the foundation, the base, the, I would say, the bedrock on which all these three pillars of the AI are standing. So we can use AI to leverage SEO. It gives us a boost. It gives us edge over the competitors if we use AI correctly. But definitely, it's not that the introduction of AI has completely made SEO obsolete. It's wrong. AI has given a boost to SEO if we use it properly. Else, else, like everybody says SEO is dead. It's no, no, absolutely not. We can use AI to leverage the SEO tactics, strategies, and our methods, to get better results. Uh, if I had to suggest a student to enter in digital marketing, the first thing I would say is, if he or she has a knack in digital marketing, there are a lot of opportunities that are open, and equally each field, be it SEO, be it performance marketer, social media marketing manager, or website developer, or whatever, they have their own pros and cons. They have their own ups and downs. It's not that SEO is better than performance marketing, or social media marketing has more scopes than WordPress developer. Definitely not. What gives you edge over the others, what makes you unique, is that how much skill you have. So whichever course you choose, or whichever course the students chooses, it depends on how much interest they have in it, how much willing are they to adapt themselves with the changing environment, with the changing demands of the industry, and how much tech savvy are you. So it's a myth that this field of digital marketing is highly paid. No, it's not. There are in many instances where each field has their lowest salary and the highest salary. So the thing is, once you start digital marketing, you get a brief idea about all the fields. Once you start, you get the basics of SEO, social media marketing, then paid ad campaigns, WordPress, website designing. You get that. While going through them, you yourself analyze, scrutinize each field, each domain, like which one piques your interest, which one helps, which makes you more motivated, which is more challenging. So once you get the grasp of that thing, I would say, then you should decide, like, uh, which is the best domain for you. If you have got a knack for paid marketing or social media, then definitely you should go there. You should not listen that, no, SEO, he's my friend is in SEO, he's getting more than this much salary. No, it's because he has that skill. He might not perform good in performance marketing. You will find someone who is great, getting very much well paid in performance marketing, but not in social media. So it completely depends on your skill set, how you are utilizing yourself. It's better to master one skill than having creep over thousand. Master of all trades, jack of none. So that's the thing. Okay, so I would definitely suggest the student to get a brief idea of all the fields, all the domains, and choose the one which is more inclined with his interest and goals.